How to set up ZOSI C680 window camera. Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
How to view by app. The first, scan code to download ZOSI Smart app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add the device by app. Power on the camera. The first way, smart connection. First, click the plus to scan the QR code on the body. Click Next. Click Add to. Select the Wi-Fi you want to connect to. Name the camera and click Confirm. The second way, AP Hotspot Edition. First, click the plus to scan the QR code on the body. Click the top right icon to switch to another way to add. Select AP Hotspot Edition. Click Next. Select the Wi-Fi you want to connect to. Click Connect. Name the camera and click Confirm. Install the camera. Before installation, ensure the camera has been successfully added to the app. Clean the glass surface where the camera will be installed. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive sticker and apply it to the desired location. Attach the front of the camera to the sticker, making sure the power port is facing downward. Stick the cable clip in a suitable spot to hold the charging cable in place.